this is Ksenia, and she is Watercare's environmental manager. Now, eventually, there's going to be a construction site here, Ksenia. What's the job of the environmental team?
Well, this tunnel is more than just steel, concrete and heavy machinery. When we come into this community, you can see we've got houses on either side and the sites are very constrained. So the role of the environmental team is to help the project follow the rules, to make sure that we're not too noisy, that we don't create too much dust. And then when this is a construction site, we make sure that the water that flows off it is clean enough to go into the streams that we beside.
Perfect, that sounds like a really good job to be involved in. Well, I can see also that there's some planting going on up here, so we'll go and check that out, but good to talk to you.
Kia ora.
See you. We've just gone on a wee hikoi through this little forest to meet Shalini, who's Watercare's environmental advisor. Now, Shalini, this seems like a cool spot.
Yeah, so we're in a really fantastic little spot. So this is a lava rock forest, and it's one of the most declining ecosystem in New Zealand. There's only 0.5% of this left.
Right, so really special, and I can see a whole lot of people in the background here doing some planting. Looks like a great project to be involved in.
It's a fabulous project to be involved in. So what we're doing here is we're planting this forest. We're taking it back to what it originally was. So we're taking away all the weeds from this area and all the human influence from this area and planting the natives back here.
And so why are you doing that?
Well, we're doing this because as part of the Central Interceptor project. Central Interceptor project is more than just cleaning the water. There's an opportunity for us to be able to give back to the environment, and by doing so, we have this amazing project where we are planting and creating habitats for insects and birds to come in, for the forest to regenerate itself.
And I'm sure the community who's also involved today would really appreciate that too.
Yes, we work really closely with the community, all the local boards around this area. So there's a good community sense of feel when we do all of this work, because at the end of the day, it's the community who gets to enjoy this.
Hey, well, thanks for talking with us this morning, Shirley.
Fabulous,
Great to
thank
meet you.
you.